would have thought that the wedding destination we dreamed of back in high school would become the place where we say, I do today. Lakas kay ta kay Lord, Dad. He gave us the life we don't even know if we deserve. He blessed us with our son, who makes our journey worth every struggle and fills our lives with purpose. And He gave me you, the man who stands by His promises. One of them is that you would marry me again. This time in the wedding I've always dreamed of.
Bilang mag-asawa ay dapat manatiling banal, mabuti, at dalisay. Ugatin ang inyong buhay sa pananalangin, sa pagdarasal. Be faithful. Promises, the idols that you will pronounce today are not just for Pobre. They're also meant to God.
As the world slows,
Di jud na ako malimtan. It was the first day of school. We were in our third year in high school. In front of our classroom, the very first person I saw was you. Ingon nila, one of the sign na siya na ang imong dawan is when you saw that person, the world will be in slow motion. And that's what happened in that moment when I saw you.
14 years ago, it all started with an answer. Happy ka eh. And then, pwede na. Sige, kita na. I never knew back then that was those words would lead us to this very moment. Our 14 years journey was the best thing ever happened in my life.
now to see you up in Italy. You gotta let it in. Is it lightning or sea? As it all runs out, I can't stop it now. Got this lightning's power that I invite it from. It's waiting,
It was September 2020 when we decided to have a civil wedding. For us to be legally bound and for our son to be legitimate. We knew na dili jud to mao ang atong dream wedding. And from that day pod, nagpromise ko sa imo na mag-church wedding jud ta in God's perfect time. And today, Mommy, after 5 years since the day I made that promise, God made it happen. And it was so perfect because it happened here in Batanes, our dream destination since we were in high school. Who would have thought, Mommy, na mag-abot ta diri? Ingon nila sa una, 3 months lang or 1 year lang daw, magbulag na. But we proved them wrong. And we knew that it is all God who brought us here. My heart is full of joy today, Mommy. And I know, Mahal, this is just the beginning of a new journey for our life as officially husband and wife. I love you so much, Mommy, and I will always do.
John Alwin, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of Mariela Aubrey, your wife?
Yes, Father.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you for loving me for 14 years. Thank you for being patient with me, for choosing me every day, and for walking beside me through all life seasons. You are the man my heart has always been safe with. I believe in you. I trust you. I love you, and I prayed for you. As God has taught me to believe, to trust, to love, and to be still while waiting for answered prayer.
I have loved you forever and a day. In all my lives, I've waited every time to hear you say, I'm yours forever and a day.
And I'm here to vow to say, even in seasons of pain, discouragement, and failure, muang kasgyapon ko, banan ka mamaligyag pugo. Today, I vow to face every hardship with you, to rise after every fall, and to conquer whatever comes our way together, always.